name is Chris with LobbyBox, and today I'm going to walk you through how to register your visitor unit. So what I need you to do is power on your visitor unit and connect the Ethernet cable. Once that has been completed, then you will see this screen. You will see that you have a serial number that you're going to use to register your visitor unit on the admin dashboard. You have your check speaker and microphone button where you can make adjustments, and I'll show you that here shortly. Then we have your set time zone where you can select the time zone for the visitor unit. And once you have registered the visitor unit in the admin dashboard, we click the done button and your system will reboot. All right, so let's go to the check speaker and microphone page. So from here, it's going to show you the sound. You can do a sound check and a microphone check. You can just click on start check right here, and you can hear how it sounds on your speaker, and you can actually make these adjustments. You can do a microphone check, do start recording, and you can adjust the sound. It does a playback so you can hear how it sounds for you. If you click the back button, we'll come back here, we click on the set time zone. And this is where you can search for the time zone for your visitor unit. And click the back button, takes you back to this screen. Now we're going to jump over to the admin dashboard and register our visitor unit with this serial number. All right, now that we're here on the admin dashboard, come down here and click on visitor units. It should take you to your visitor units page. Click on the far right hand side where it says add visitor unit. It will take you to this page, and this is where we're going to register our visitor unit. First thing you need to do is click the drop down for buildings. You should have already set up a building for your company. Select the location that this visitor unit is being installed. Next, we're going to enter the serial number. That serial number is case sensitive. Next, we're going to provide a name for our visitor unit. After that, we're going to enter a PIN code, which is 6 digits. This is going to allow you to access the maintenance screen on your visitor unit. Next, we're going to enter a information message that display on our visitor unit. So we'll just say, welcome to LobbyBox. All right, we completed that section. Next section is security section. So this section is for the I need assistance button on your visitor unit. So if you wish to enable it, then you click on enable. If you do not wish to enable it, then that I need assistance button will not appear on your visitor unit. But since we want to provide people with the ability to use I need assistance, we click on the enable button or checkbox. From here, you need to select the members that you have registered for your company. So if you haven't registered anyone for any members on your company, you need to complete the 3-step process. First thing is selecting schedule, set up a schedule. Next, you need to set up the access level. Then you can actually register a member and provide them access level. After these 3 things have been completed, you can come back here, enable security, click the drop down, and you'll see all the members that you have registered in your business. So we click that. And this is the person that will receive the I need assistance phone call from the visitor unit to the mobile app. Now, next you can actually change the message that will appear when someone clicks the I need assistance button on the visitor unit. Then below we have 2 questions that you need to answer, which is, do you want to enable member list on visitor unit? If you say no, once someone comes to the visitor unit and click on call a member, the members will not appear in the list, but you can actually search for a member by just typing in the first 3 characters of their name. Otherwise, you can click on yes, and the members will appear in the list, and you can still also search for those members as well. Next question is, are you monitoring the door with a door controller? If you're not, then leave it as no. If so, click yes. Then you have a few other questions to answer. You can actually, it says, do you want the door to lock as soon as the door closes or delay a few seconds? So if you wish to lock the door immediately, just click on that that radio button. Then you just need to answer the next questions. How long should the door remain open before receiving a system alert? This alert just saying that the door has been open too long. So right now it's set for 30 seconds. We can change that to if the door's been open longer than 15 seconds, then the system will notify you that the door has been open longer than 15 seconds. But if you wish to use the door lock delay, click the door lock delay radio button. Then you just have to answer this question: how long should the door lock delay? So when the door closes, how long do you want that to wait? The minimum is 5 seconds, and we change that, let's say 8 seconds. After everything has been entered, we click on save. It directs us back here to the lobby box list, and it shows the visitor units that we have here. And shows the name, shows the building that this visitor unit is associated with. It hasn't been activated yet because we haven't clicked the done button on the visitor unit, and it's not connected. So we go back to the visitor unit. We're going to click the done button so our admin dashboard will update. So I'm clicking the done button on the visitor unit. The system will reboot and you let it go through its process. So we'll just wait here for a second. Once it goes through the process, it connect everything to the database, which is in the cloud. Once it gains the internet connection, then we can refresh our page and we see the um, visitor unit is now activated and is connected. Once the visitor unit comes online, we're going to see that it needs to be updated. So we see a button over here. So let's click this. So now you can see it has a name, the building, it has been activated, the hardware model, and the soft version that it's been installed with is connected to the internet, and you can actually see this is the latest version. So shows that we're out of date for the version that we have on our visitor unit. So what you need to do is click on update. It's prompting you, are you sure you want to update the visitor unit? We're going to click yes. Once you click yes, the system will begin to update the visitor unit and do a reboot, and then everything will be up to date. So we click yes. And this is going to take a couple of minutes to actually do the update, but that's the complete process of registering a visitor unit. We'll see you in the next video. Thanks.